Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. How we doing? Hope we are fine. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. First off, sorry I'm making a voiceover over this video. It's just because we were speaking Yoruba, and for the benefit of those of us that do not understand Yoruba, that's why I had to do the voiceover. Yeah, so we started off with cleaning up the vegetables. She cleaned it like 2 to 3 times to remove the dirt, insects, and sand and all in it. After that, she boiled water, added salt, and poured the water inside it for few minutes. Then blended pepper. After blending the pepper, she cleaned off her other ingredients, sliced onions, cleaned the pomo, that's the cow skin, cleaned the pomo and all that. Then after that, we proceeded to start the cooking. First off, she poured palm oil and locust beans, Yorubas call it iru, poured it into the hot palm oil with onions. Yeah, she put onions in it, so she waited for it to fry a little. After frying, she decided to pour pepper inside it. Note that this pepper that she's pouring, the pepper was actually much, so we just decided to just boil everything or fry everything. After frying, then we portioned it into another place, because the pepper mix will be too much for the vegetable. So after putting the pepper, she puts the cow skin pomo. After putting pomo, she added fish. Then yeah, it's already cooking. Our sauce, our stew is cooking already. Then she added ingredients: ginger, garlic, salt, maggi, etc, crayfish, everything like that. At this stage like this, or more, if you smell the aroma, I wish you can smell this from the phone. I wish you can smell this aroma from the phone, or more. It was so inviting, tantalizing. So after that, okay, yes, she has put the fish. That's is it smoked or roasted? I think it is roasted panla fish. That's how we used to call it. It's very sweet. When easy to fry stew, Jesus, the fish and the pepper would have sucked plenty palm oil. Now easy to eat. Oh my god, rice and plantain, it's so delicious. So let me go back to what I was saying, because I know I like food so much. Yeah, this is her portioning it. Like I said earlier, we had to portion it because it was too much. And yeah, we had poured the vegetable. Yeah, we used green vegetable. I don't know the name they call it though, but we will call it green. For green, that's what she used. There are different types of vegetables, but she used green vegetable, and we added a bit of ugu because we had leftover ugu in the house, so we just added that one to eat also. So yeah, she is stirring it and all. She was stirring it here. She stirred it and let it simmer or cook together for few minutes also. Then after that, we now serve. Come and eat with me, come and enjoy with me. And do not forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and like our videos. So after we finish eating, me and my sister in law, yeah, she's my sister, we now decided to go to our shop, because our shop is in the estate. She wanted to get something, so we decided to go and use that opportunity to exercise our body, because the food we ate there, or more, that food had to digest before we sleep. Come and patronize us. So we are a makeuping people. We do makeup. We tie gele. We do training. Class match, we do nails. We do pedicure and manicure. We are upcoming lash extension technician. Upcoming progress. Please, refer us. patronize us. So after take our money and go outside. We are very. Our shop is in the estate also. Went to pick up something. We are very unique. I'm not say cheap. We're not cheap. Everybody was full to the brim, so we just use that as we are slightly affordable. We are slightly new. Tabadi affordable. I look okay, normal. Yeah. I look normal. We are very affordable. We are very affordable. We are slightly affordable. You will run back. Don't worry. Yeah. We will do one video for you to see our work. It's our work, yo. It's our work, yo. That one. We sell makeup products, so makeup products. There's no one you want to imported though, Nigerian made though. Why got it? Are you not awake? Better. Yes. Are you awake? What are you supposed to do early in the morning? Tell me, Lauren. Sleep back. Is what I'm supposed to do early in the morning? Yeah, sleep back. Zara, come here. Come on. Are you finally awake? Morning, how are you? How was your night? Did you sleep well? Did you pray? You pray when you wake up in the morning also, you know that now. Zara, come here. Come and wear your trouser. Go and take your own bath before the woman comes. Shugbo. Go and take your bath. Are you sure you're awake? Them. Yeah, sure you're awake. Alright, go. I'll come and meet you in the bedroom. Let me finish with Zara. And use your drug. See your drugs. Use vitamin C. Good job. Great job, mama. Come here. Yeah, you see me to play this morning, Zara. Oh yeah, nah. Mama. Fine girl. Princess girl. Honey. No, don't do that. Don't do that to your job. Oh yeah. Should I pour it? So yeah, come and take. Come to mama. Come to mama. I said, Zara, come to mama. Come here. Good job. See you. What is this you're wearing, Zara? I know. Doesn't matter. You will play. You watch your cartoon.
And you know, could have gone and join. They will not come and join. You go and poop, you go and win.
But wait, why is it that you and Enoch, you guys are always fighting? Why? Did you cream your face?
You covered the cream.
I covered the cream. Did you tell me you're not done?
I didn't know you covered the cream. It's at the end before you finish.
After you have worn all your clothes finished, that's when you remember that I covered the cream. Give me your hand.
My face.
Your face, your hands. Oh yeah, rub it together. Rub your hands. See. Oh yeah, rub your face. Very well. Like this. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, baby. Yeah. Back of your hands, they see oil there, so easy to rub your neck. Is that how to rub? Yeah, rub it together. Rub your hand. Good.
Mommy, I didn't like being bad.
I didn't like being bad, Mommy.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Are you going to put on socks?
I don't know.
You don't want to?
I don't know.
Can you do your button?
I can remove it.
Hey, so yeah, what happened?
No,
know that everyone has finished watching now.
Wait, one by one.
Enoch is done watching his own. So I've not watched my own yet. She's now said that she wants to watch her own again.
Okay.
After yesterday, one I've not watched my own.
Is that your complaint?
Yes.
Oh yeah, say your own.
Yeah,
Move
before yesterday, me and Enoch watch our own. We not slept. Instead of tomorrow, he watch his own full movie. Us, we watch our own half. Then in the night, Enoch now watch his own. Today is my turn.
Okay.
Wait, what about me?
You watch after
See,
Enoch.
when Auntie Toby said that, then after you is Enoch, after Enoch is me. No, after Enoch is now you again.
Settle fight. Yes, I'm listening. What happened next? What are we going to do now? Hey, you give my lip gloss. I've been looking for it, Zara. Number one is a new day. I don't want a day today. You know how I settled fight yesterday. My throat is paining me. I woke up having sore throat because I talk. Now, Emmanuel, you played game this morning, Abby?
I don't play any game.
You didn't play game with
Daddy.
You didn't play game with Daddy? Okay. Tell me, Lauren, he woke up before you. You know that. Emmanuel, what do you want to watch? Both of you, tell me not come and stay here. What do you want to watch? Stay here.
Is in catch.
Stay here. Is what?
Watch is in catch up. But they never let me watch that though.
How many? Is it that Lego?
No.
What?
Something else. It's short.
It's short. Okay. You know what you're going to do? You are going to take your bath now, Abby. While you are taking your bath, tell me not quickly watch our own. When you come out from the bedroom, tell me. If she doesn't answer, you come and meet me. You will change and watch your own show that you want to watch. Then when you are done, she will continue watching her own. Should we do it like that? Tell me, Laura, are you okay with that? Hello, Zara. Emmanuel, are you okay with that? Are you okay with that?
He said,
Yes or no?
Yes.
So, go and take your bath. Why are you taking your bath? Why are you taking your bath? So, Bobby, leave Zara. Zara will beat you. Why are you taking your bath? Hey, Zara. What's this on her mouth? Leave her.
That is on your chin.
What's this on your mouth? What did you eat this morning? You've not eaten anything this morning. What did you lick?
I am still recording this thing.
So, yeah, enter the bedroom. Leave it, drop it. Emmanuel, where's your towel? Morning, my love. How are you? How was your night? Did you sleep well? So, you slept well? Yeah, sure. Good. We have an agreement too. Are you eating spaghetti? Tell me no, please close that up. Do you eat spaghetti? So, come back here. This TV, I've already arranged it for everybody. Tell me no is going to watch while I'm still talking. Enoch, you want to pee? You want to pee? But you go and pee and come back. Yeah, don't mind that I dirty the cheese. I was so tired yesterday, I could not wash. So, I brought out the sauce for the spaghetti. Yeah. See my Zara, my assistant chef. She's always following me everywhere. Hey, Popo. Hey, Popo. Say hello. Mwah. Love you, Mama. I don't understand.
I now watch one Thunder.
Calm down. You watch one Thunder Man. You watch one Gumbo.
I will not watch it yet.
And watch
But
it
he
now.
wants to watch it. He's soon going to watch it.
And watch one episode. Who was ringing the bell?
Money.
Okay, so watch one episode. Then everybody will now sit down and start watching their cartoon. Take it to the sitting room. Take the remote to the sitting room.
No, please stop crying. Please I cried. What are we gonna do? We're supposed to jump through a window in the next scene. We need a another ending. I'm sorry I made you feel like the second best ninja in the world, Dr. Downer. Sorry for being such a prissy little jerk and capturing your sister. I think we both learned that expressing our feelings is way better than a fight to the death. Yay! Mega happy ending. No, that's funny you rejected it. It's the red button. Sure? I thought the red button was too important. It's definitely a jet. Alright. Oh man, I can't wait to see this.
Stop!
Careful.
You know what? Stop! Save yourself trouble. Have some.
Hey, Zara.
Stop.
Oh, yeah, take. Zara, take your own. Tell me long, take your food. Emmanuel.
Oh yeah, don't pour your food away.
Let me carry it for you, Zara.
Don't worry, she's a big girl. She can carry her food.
Carry your food, Alaye. Big man.
What are you recording?
You. Especially you.
Why?
Why?
Jellyfish. Look inside yourself and you see that you are childish. You're adding sombreros and lasers to a kid who looks like he was tasered. You laugh about it thinking it's funny.
Must you guys sit close to each other like this? Is there no space?
I'm telling them not to sit down here.
I know you still go and sit down.
Sit down there, do where I won't sit. Sit there. Don't. Yeah, bring your plate. Good job. Zara, she keeps amazing me every day. See, she wants to bring her milk herself. She brought her cup so that she's hungry. Yeah, you want to eat? I should make cereal for you. Wait. I'll carry your cereal. Don't worry. I'll carry you. Don't touch that flax. Yeah, drop it. Good job. Clap for yourself, Mama. Zara. Oh yeah, come. Let's make cereal. Let me make your cereal. Yay! Zara, baby. Zara, oh.
You remove your wig.
Oh yeah, wear it back. What are you doing? Why is the phone upside down? Let me see your hair. Flip it now. Ooh. Emmanuel, do you want to be here?
Hey! They'll now say boy wearing wig. No!
It's fashion now.
No.
Wait, see everywhere is dust. See dust.
Are you recording?
I'm recording you. See dust. You guys are inhaling dust.
Mommy, also Papa is recording. How will we say I'm gonna balance. Everything now is so big.
Oh yeah, record.
Why are you hiding? What's it?
A person that cannot play with.
Can you dance?
No,
But you can dance better than you.
I don't like dancing.
You like playing ball. Hey, go Enoch. Go Enoch. Go Enoch. Go Enoch.